हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं क्लास 7 आप लोगों को लेसन 1 कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस यानी कि कंप्यूटर की भाषाएं आपका पहला लेसन है। अगर आपके पास किताब हो तो आप किताब खोल लीजिए, हम उसको पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। आप उसको ध्यान से सुनिए और देखिए। किताब में लिखा है, लेसन का नाम है कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस यानी कि कंप्यूटर की भाषाएं। लिखा है, लैंग्वेजेस आर अ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशंस। नॉर्मली पीपल इंटरेक्ट विथ ईच अदर थ्रू अ लैंग्वेज on the same pattern. Communication with computer is carried out through a language. This language is understood both by user and the machine, just as every language like English, Hindi and its grammatical rules. Every computer's language is bound of rules known as syntax of that language. The user is bound by that syntax while communicating with the computer system. Computer languages are broadly classified as फर्स्ट जनरेशन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यानी कि फर्स्ट जनरेशन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को हम 1GL भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है। लिखा है, मशीन लैंग्वेज। द फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेजेस consisted of machine language which required the programmer to write all programs instruction in the O and 1 of binary code to specify storage location for every instructions and item of data used. Programming in machine language was very slow and difficult in processing as computer hardware improved and processing speed and memory size increased. Programming languages become progressively easier humans to understand and use from the mid 1905 to the mid 1970. Assembly language. Assembly language is the next level programming language up from machine language, and to considered a second generation language like machine language. Assembly language is designed to specific machine and specific microprocessor. It is the first step of improved programming structure. Assembly language programming is simpler and less time consuming than machine level programming. It is easier locate and correct errors in assembly language than in machine language program. It is also machine dependent. Programmer must have knowledge of the machine on which the program will run. हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज। हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज थर्ड जनरेशन की लैंग्वेज थी। आपको फर्स्ट जनरेशन, सेकंड जनरेशन, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ और सिक्स जनरेशन की लैंग्वेजेस के बारे में भी इस लेसन में बताया गया है। तो जो हमारी हाई लेवल की लैंग्वेज थी, जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन और सेकंड जनरेशन में नहीं थी, ये थर्ड जनरेशन में आई थी, तो वो इसमें बताया गया है। आप इसको देखिए। You know that low level language requires extensive knowledge of the hardware since the machine dependent. Third generation language specify instructions as brief statements that are more like natural language like English, easy to understood statements to solve any problems than assembly language. All are less efficient in the use of computer resource than earlier languages. They are easier to write and understand and have made to a possible to create a software for business and scientific problems. Important third generation language include a Fortran, COBOL and BASIC and C. इसकी 4 प्रकार की लैंग्वेजेस थी जिन्हें कोड किया गया था। लिखा है बेसिक यानी कि बाइनर्स ऑल पर्पज सिंबॉलिक इंस्ट्रक्शन कोड. Basic as a Pascal are used primarily in education to teach programming. Basic Binary all-purpose symbolic instructions was developed in 1964 to John Keenan and Thomas Kurtz to teach students of a Dartmouth College how to use a computer. Basic different version of Basic exist. It was mainly used to microcomputers and earlier days. COBOL was developed in the early 1916 by a committee represented both गवर्नमेंट एंड इंडस्ट्री. कोबॉल का मतलब होता है कॉमन बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज. रियल एडमायर ग्रेस एम हॉपर एंड अ की कमिटी member who played a major role in COBOL developments was designed with business administration in mind for processing large data file with alphanumeric characters, poor complex mathematical calculations. Also, there are many versions of COBOL and not all race are compatible with each other. Pascal language was named after Blaise Pascal, the 17th century mathematicians and philosopher Pascal was developed by the Swiss computer science professor Nicholas Wirth for Zurich. In the late 1916, Pascal is used primarily in computer science courses to teach sound programming practice. Fortran, formula translation, was one of the most popular languages among a scientific committee. It was developed in 1956 to provide an easy way to writing scientific and engineering applications. Is especially useful for processing numeric data. Some business applications can be written by Fortran, and contemporary version provide a specific structure for controlling program logic. C and C double is powerful and efficient language developed at AT&T is Bell Labs in the early 1917. It combines machine probability with the tight control and efficient use to computer resource, and then can work to variety of different computers. It is used primarily by professional programmers to create an operating system and application software, especially to PC. 4th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर, यानी कि अब ये 4th जनरेशन के कंप्यूटर के बारे में हमें बताया गया है, जो कि आज के डेट में 1970 टू टुडे, यानी कि 1970 से आज तक जो कंप्यूटर चलता है उसके बारे में बताया गया। लेकिन कंप्यूटर की जनरेशन 4th तक ही नहीं बल्कि 5th और 6th तक भी हैं। तो लिखिए, ए 4th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज इज 4GL is grouping of programming languages that attempt to get a closer than 3GLs to human language from our thinking and conceptualization. 4GL are designed to reduce the overall time, effort and cost of software development to main domains and families of 4GL. Report a generation data manipulation, analysis and reporting, screen painters and generators, GUI creators, mathematical optimization, web development and general purpose language. 5th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर, यानी कि जिसे हम 5GL भी बोलते हैं, इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है 5GL. A 5th generation programming language is grouping of programming language built on the premise that problems can be solved and applications can be built to solve it by providing constraints to program rather than specifying an algorithmical to problems to be solved. Imperative programming, in essence of programming languages, is used to denote the properties of logic of solutions rather than how it is reached. Most constraints based on the logic programming languages are 5GL. A common MISO combinations to 5GL pertains to the practice of some 4GL vendors to denote their products at 5GL. When in essence the products are enveloped and enhanced 4GL. Compiler and assembler. As you know that high level language in machine independent and assembly language, though it is machine dependent at a minimum and being used to represented instruction are not directly and understandably by machine. Hence, to make the machine understand that instructions provided by both of language, compiler and assembler are required to convert these instructions into machine language. The software that reads to program written of high level language and translates into the equivalent program in machine language is called a compiler. The program written by programmer in high level language is called a source program, and the program generated by the compiler after translation is called an object program. The software that reads a program written in assembly language and translates into equivalent program in machine language is called a assembler. तो ये लेसन आपका यहाँ समाप्त हुआ। आप अच्छे से इसको पढ़ेंगे और आप इसके जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं, ट्रू फॉल्स हैं, टिक वाले जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं, उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर आपको PDF के रूप में प्रोवाइड करा दिए जाएंगे। तो आप उसको कॉपी में नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा और इस लेसन को अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा और पढ़ने के साथ साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर को याद भी करने की कोशिश करिएगा। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।